Today I'll be showing you how you can track an RSS feed using Distill. For this video I've chosen Clinicaltrials.gov as a web page, and this is a registry of clinical trials. You can see I'm on a page which has a list of trials filtered according to my search needs. I have an option to subscribe to RSS. I will click on it. Here I will choose to look at studies that have been added or modified in the last 14 days and click on Create RSS Feed. I am led to the RSS feed page. I will copy the URL of this page and go to the Distill web app, which is on monitor.distill.io. Here, click on Add Monitor, click on Feed, paste the URL copied and click on Go. Distill is now parsing the RSS feed. Once it's done, you will see a select option appear. Click on Select. Now you'll be led to a page where you can further configure your monitor. Here you can choose a device to run your checks on. I will choose the Distill Cloud servers. You can even rename your monitor. I will call it RSS Feed Lung Cancer Trials. And schedule checks maybe every 1 hour. And add an alert mode. You can choose one among the options that are provided. This will be based on your subscription plan. And once you're happy with the monitor, click on Save. You will see the RSS feed monitor appear on your watch list. You can run it by selecting it and clicking on the Run option. And you can see that the RSS feed has already been shown in the Distill preview. I hope this helps you track an RSS feed.